The eye of Hurricane Irma has hit Florida's southern islands as a Category 4 storm, forecasters say. It is expected to pummel the low-lying Keys with winds reaching 130 miles per hour, 209 kilometers per hour, before traveling northwest up Florida's Gulf Coast. More than 6.3 million people were told to evacuate Florida, with warnings of a huge storm surge that would be life-threatening to anyone in its path. Irma has already devastated parts of the Caribbean with at least 25 deaths. Staying behind is almost like suicide. Extreme winds, around the eye of the hurricane, are expected to last for the next 2 hours in the lower Florida Keys area, which includes Key West. All residents have been ordered to leave amid fears that the storm surge reaching 15 feet (4.6 meters) could hit the Coral Key Islands, most of which are only a few feet above sea level. One official had warned staying on the islands would be almost like suicide. As the eye of the storm moves north to mainland Florida, more than 430,000 homes in the state are reported to be without power.